Now I discuss about the important thing of earthquake. What should we do and what should we not do? When an earthquake strikes, we initially feel very scared and panic. Our heart races and we become bewildered. At this time, it's very important for us to keep our heads calm. If we can remain calm and make right decision, we can avoid major danger. After the earthquake, we will all work together to help each other. We will treat the injured, provide shelter to the homeless, and help to boost the morale of those who are mentally broken.